In this video, we're going to take a look at 3 tools that creators overlook when building customized landing pages, and how the page building software Kajabi streamlines this for you. What is up, everyone? This is Fish Fisher with Review Online Course, helping creators like you find the tools they need to build their first online course. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and if it's not your first time, well then I welcome you back. Just remember, everything that we talk about in this video can be found below in the description box. All right, let's jump in. Kajabi pages are unlike any page that you've ever built before because everything is streamlined for increased flexibility and speed. For starters, from the moment you sit down, your page is already 80% of the way finished. That's because they've created 21 customized themes for you to start with. Now, these aren't your just typical cookie cutter themes. Everything has been thoughtfully designed to give you the endless option for customization. The only thing that's left is making the page your own. And of course, you don't need to be a designer. Kajabi Pages gives you flexibility while also minimizing the settings that you have to navigate around, giving you more control with less complications. The Kajabi Page Editor is logical, intuitive, and simple. Each page that is built in Kajabi becomes seamlessly connected with everything else in your business, from sales funnels to checkout pages, to email marketing, to analytics, well, to pretty much everything. It's the full integrated front door to your entire online business. So let's take a look at 3 tools that creators overlook when building customized landing pages. And make sure you stick around to the end of the video where I show you how to build a landing page inside of Kajabi and how doing that can lead to a free pair of AirPods. Okay, let's look over the 3 tools that I see creators miss out on when they're actually building a page inside a page builder editor. First is mobile friendliness. Unfortunately, everybody is on this mobile device nowadays. So if you look on screen, you can see this bottom right-hand corner tab that looks like a little television at a slant. If you click that, you'll notice you get a few options here. Desktop, which is exactly what we see here. Tablet V, so 2 options for what tablets are going to look like, and then also mobile, which is great because now we get an idea of what people are seeing when they come to our site from a mobile device and also a desktop device. That's huge because you want to actually have a page that's performing across the entire landscape of the internet. It doesn't make sense if in the desktop version you've got your face and then your logo, and then when it's mobile, it's just the logo or it's just your face. You need to have both in there. Kajabi allows you to actually see exactly what you're getting. So you can check out mobile, tablet, desktop, and you can know across the board for the internet, all the devices that are out there, because there's a million of them, what you're going to actually see. So visually, it's awesome for building out your page inside Kajabi because you get to see exactly what it looks like. You can see it gets very long and wordy on mobile. So I might think, okay, well, I need to maybe make this a little bit more mobile friendly. But that's actually not too bad. I can expect people to scroll down that far. If it gets too lengthy, I can expect people on their mobile to not scroll that far because they just don't want to. Here we are on desktop. Looks pretty clean. A completely different look from desktop to mobile. It's really important to understand what each one looks like. What's cool about Kajabi is they allow you to actually have a mobile layout, and you can change that with your desktop layout. So you can have 2 completely different looks on your site, which is pretty awesome. I'll show you that here in a moment. The other thing that creators often overlook is actually the page loading speed. When someone comes to your website and it's just a spinning wheel, they're likely to bounce and leave the website if they actually don't get to the page that they're looking for. So page loading is a really big deal, and it's often overlooked by creators that are building a page on a page building software. If you take a look here, Kajabi actually has something called Lightning Loader. And Lightning Loader allows you to actually load the page a lot faster. They're going to show a little demonstration right here, and you'll see exactly what they do.
How's that possible? Our Kajabi page editor has been redesigned to be more logical, intuitive, and best of all, simple. And once your page is built, it needs lightning fast loading speed. That's why every Kajabi page has Lightning Loader built in, to make sure you never leave your customers waiting.
So that's a big deal. You get this lightning loading, that's what they call it. It's basically a loader that refreshes the page constantly or keeps it in a cache so that it actually can spit out the information a lot faster so that your customer that comes to your site is likely to stay if the page loads. If the page does not load, I doubt they're going to stay. No one wants to sit around and wait, especially on a mobile device where there's tons of people texting, there's tons of distractions. This is much more than just a an internet browser, this is a phone. Everything needs to work super fast on your mobile device. And then with this lightning loader that Kajabi has, that's huge because now your customers aren't waiting any longer. The other thing that's really important when you're building out pages for creators to realize is that it's very time consuming unless there are pre-made templates they can step right into. Kajabi has 21 in total. If you look on the screen here, you'll notice there's a lot going on here, from opt-in to lead generation pages to just an entire website. You can click on these pages and you get a preview of what it looks like. So you can get an idea of like, oh wow, this page is pretty much built for you. All the pages inside Kajabi are 80% already finished, which is really cool because then you can just step in and just drag and drop and customize just a little bit because majority of the time it's already done for you. The wording is in there, the images are in there, it's already done. All you have to do is hit this blue button that says get started, which is pretty easy. And we'll probably do that here in a second, but I just want to show you the 21 themes that they have, including some of their old legacy themes that you can take a look at. Now, if we're going to decide to get started, we hit this blue button. We title it Test, and we're off. And within seconds, we have a beautifully designed landing page that's already finished for us. And there's some drag and drop features over here on the left-hand side. You can see I can take this header, I can move it through. It shows me exactly what that looks like. I can move that all the way back up to the top. I can grab the text here. I can move the text to wherever I want. What's also cool is this, let's say I actually don't want this Eva text in there and I just want to, I don't want to delete it because I really like what I've written, but I just want to kind of save it for a later time. I can hide it right here and boom, it will go away. It's still there, I can unhide it at any point in time, but that's a great way to actually thin out your page without having to delete stuff. You can add custom sections in here, but what's really cool is the ability you get to customize it here. You can put your logo up there, you can have your tabs here, you can put the copyright down here with Kajabi or your brand name. You can come over here and add sections, tons of sections, text, dual text columns. And what you can do is actually, to preview it, you click here, it shows you exactly what it looks like, and then you hit the add button. And voila, it's right there. And you can fool around with the You can change it all around. We can come back and we can drag this all the way back up to the top if we so choose. So super user-friendly, customizable out the wazoo, tons of different cool gadgets. We didn't look at all of them, but I'll just jump back in here and just take a look and we'll just kind of scroll through all of them. Opt-in pages, video launch. This is great for if you want to offer a lot of value, can showcase a little miniature video launch, where people can go through a little series of videos right here, showing you exactly what it looks like. You can see image galleries, video, text and video. You can embed a video from YouTube, offer. You can even have a storefront right there, show the store. People can click on this and then go straight to the store and buy your product. So pricing options already pre-made for you right there. It's pretty much a no-brainer. If you're getting started with your first online course, Kajabi has incredible capabilities with building out a page on your website. And that's a brief overview of how you can build pages inside of the Kajabi software. Super easy. So those are your three things. You've got mobile friendliness, you've got lightning loader page speed, and you've got the incredible amount of templates that you can use, pre-made with 80% done and 21 of them to choose from. That's it for this one. I hope you guys give Kajabi a try and you love it as much as I do. Now, if you're thinking about building some beautifully customized landing pages for your online courses, go ahead and check out that on-screen video. And always make sure you click that link to snag your free pair of AirPods. And that's it for this video. I'm Fish Fisher, reminding you to build a course, build a brand, build a business. And I'll see you guys in the next one.